Hello everybody and welcome back to Wi-Fi Sheep at Christmas. It's day 8 of our Electronics Games Advent Calendar build series. And just to remind you where we were last time, we were doing a clock speed altered version of this quite wriggly wire hook, live wire game thing where you have this hook with a wire and you have to sort of make the wire go up here without it making a sound. And yeah, the principle worked. The execution was not great, but it was interesting. And we figured out that the diode array here, I say diode array, that's probably wrong. It's capacitors and resistors in this pattern actually control the clock speed of the PIC chip and not the controlling of which program is in operation. So again, all very interesting. So that was last time. So what we're going to have on day 8. By the way, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, then you need to go back to December the 1st, back in time, on our playlist, and follow us from all the way from that up to today, which is door 8. Here we go. I just found door 8 here. And I'm going to... Oh, I've done it again. I was going to say, I'm going to get into this without messing up the doors. There we go. Right. Day 8. There is another little push. See that on camera? Little push switch. Okay, is that all that's in there? Yes, one more component, a push switch. Day 8. Right, let's refer back to the instruction book and see what are we doing for... Where are we? Day 8. Okay, what are we doing? Day 8. Quiz buzzer. Behind today's door is another push button. I'm going to start again. Behind today's door is another push button. It enables you to build a quiz buzzer to fight exciting quiz duels. You have to remember to you have to remove the wire maze and instead mount the 2 push button, connect them to ground. The same software is used as before. The same software is used as before, and therefore the program selection pin remains connected to VCC. Alright, former reset button is now used as the second buzzer button. As you can no longer press reset, you have to reset the game by removing and reinstating the batteries, or power on, power off basically. As different sounds are assigned to each button, you can easily recognise who pressed the button first. Okay, so seems a shame to be breaking this down because I thought with a little bit of refinement we could get this game working. Do you know what? At the end of all this, we might come back to the buzzer game, see if we can make something a bit better using this logic. But for now, let's start removing a few bits. Do we need to cut more wire, or have I got existing jumper wire that we can use? Probably got existing bits we can use actually. So I'm just seeing what we've got. So the smaller one is going... Oh, hang on. First of all, let's put our... that's one push button there, and the other one is going... is that going there? I think so. As for the first button, I think we're going to have to do a little bit of adjustment just to get these pins to sit right. Okay, let's try that. Something like that, I hope. Okay, yep, so that's... Yeah, okay, now these 2 jumper pieces which select the program. So we go from there. I think we're going from there to there. And that's going from there. There we go, something like that. So that looks about right. Okay. So we power up. Well, it works. Okay. So I guess we have to create the quiz ourselves then. Because it doesn't appear to be... One moment. No, it's just this one page, which... okay, so that's the game, but there isn't a game. You have a mechanism for a game, but there isn't actually a game. It's interesting, don't get me wrong. Okay, well, there we are. So that was day 8, December the 8th, here on Wi-Fi Sheep at Christmas. I hope you're following along, and thanks so much for the comments as well so far, for many of you that have been commenting on the previous days. And I guess we'll be back tomorrow, that's December the 9th, where we'll see where we're going next with this project. If you haven't done so already, please do consider liking and subscribing, and yeah, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, Merry Christmas, and bye for now.